Let's go. Dagger Dutch is level 11, bro. That's crazy. I'll just delivery. Electric thing just to keep up the cycle. My spirit. Good defense. Nah, the witch gets a hit. Dang it. Holy fireball, nice one, buddy. Ooh, good EQ. Now electric queen ability. That'll get a lot of damage. Nice, man. That was a terrible ability. That will get some damage, but that's alright, because I got a big lead. This ability. Little DPS the witch can probably kill it. Yep. Nice. Plop. That'll use your daggers. Oh, earthquake. And this tower. Yeah. Probably gonna try and... Nope. Nice. Now I just gotta play defense. Maybe. Nice. That was a really good ability. Oh, crap. No, that's fine. Good game. GG.